we are giving you little bits of information on how to get better. But if you really want to get better, schedule your free 30-minute consultation and you could do balancing exercises like this.
You gotta stay on your toes the whole time. While squatting, can't come off those toes. Again. All right, now I'm going to have you do like an uneven carry. So you can have, one overhead, one at your side. It's kind of like a farmer's carry, just a variation. Stay upright. Keep your posture as normal as possible. Switch hands.